2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, power driver's seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.